welcome to the vlog. Good morning, good day, good afternoon, wherever you are. Hi, I'm Sofa. I do vlogs and I also talk about the books. I just recently woke up, so this is what we got. This is what we're working with. We are gonna head out and do some adventures. Right now, it's actually a really nice thing with the bus ticket I have or the public transportation I have. There's like a summer deal where you can travel way out. Like there are different zones basically that the bus tickets works for. And they have like a deal where instead of getting one zone, you get 3 zones. Yeah! So therefore we're traveling brah. A lot outside, and it's also nice. I'm gonna be Nordic now, but where I am we have gotten like half the amount of sun compared to other towns or cities. And when I mean sun, it's like sunshine, vitamin D. Like we have had so many rainy days. So, you know, traveling to other places, gonna get that vitamin D. Yes. We're gonna head out, do that, all that jazz. I'm glad that you're here. And without further ado, let's go.
It will be autumn soon, so let's just try to see the summer through. And there will always be another time to say the things I should have said to you. I said to you. I couldn't act upon a growing feeling I could not escape, and left it all too long. I didn't think that I could be too late. I didn't think. I didn't think.
Hello, editing Soph here, checking in. Hi, how you guys doing? What's up? I'm checking in here. I filmed some footage when I was outside speaking to you guys, but I don't know what I did with it. I think I deleted it by mistake. So anyways, you get indoors talking with me. Yay! I'm about going to film and edit a book video. I recently read a bunch of like Aries books, or recommended to the Aries horoscope, which I am. So that's fun. So I'm gonna film that stuff for you guys. And also I'm thinking of switching up my light setup. I have a little ring light here above me, and I gotten the audio to work a little bit better when I'm filming, but I feel like I could change the light a bit better so I'm not so dark in the videos, like I'm a little bit lighter. The only downside is that I'm very pale, as you can see. So having a light on me makes me paler. So need to be careful with the strength of it. As it is now, I have my ring light not facing me, it's facing like the wall, and then because it's facing the wall, the light bounces off the wall and then bounces on my face to give like a softer effect. So it's not that harsh, like, you know, I'm a ghost. But I'm gonna see if I can angle it in a certain way so I get more full light in my face without turning into a ghost. We will see. I'm gonna fix some tricks with this before starting to film the book video. And also, I wanna say that this is the second time I filmed outside talking. And yes, I am super duper awkward. Way more comfortable talking inside my own space, for sure. But I'm just thinking that the more I do it, the better I become. So just gonna train on that. But if I seem a bit out of place when I'm talking to you guys outside, it's because of that. But you know, what's the deal? Like, it's the same thing. Me talking with you guys here, it's exactly the same thing outside. It's nothing weird. I'm just talking to my pals, my bodies. So it's just, you know, a mental thing I have to get over. Enough rambling. Gonna turn the light, see if I can get it better, and then film, video, and edit. Okay, see you guys when I'm done, and we're gonna head out on more adventure. You guys don't have to see the edit thing. No. We're gonna head out next time I see you on adventures. Okay. Hi! What's up? You guys get so many what's ups all the time. I'm here checking in, just talking with you guys. So far, this week has been lovely. The weather has been so freaking nice with the sun and the clouds, just the perfect amount. Something I want to share is that I have started to do more reading again. No audiobooks, just reading. I'm working on a INFJ book video. For you guys who don't know, I am a INFJ personality type. You can do one like personality type test on the 16 personalities website. Is the most common one. I am the personality type that is green, and it's an old man like Gandalf. That's mine. I'm an old person. So yeah, I'm reading some INFJ books recommended to INFJ people. Right now, I am actually rereading The Hunger Games, the first book. I read that book longest time ago. And damn, it just starts right away. Holy shit. Just getting into the action. It's so interesting to read that book again. It's so riveting and exciting and also extremely sad. I'm at the part where I read about the character Rue. I finished the Rue arc, if you get my drift. But yeah, it's so interesting to think about. And you know, The Hunger Games is just explaining the story from Katniss' perspective, from one character, and it's so interesting to think of the other characters, like how they would perceive the situation and their story, you know. I think Katniss is an INFJ or something, according to personality type thing. And I remember, I still think that Katniss as a character is not so fun, very dull. Very like, you know, this is the protagonist, But it all makes sense now, because it's an INFJ. No, but jokes aside, I do have some opinions about them to discuss and stuff. I'm not a big fan of like love triangles. Not a big fan in book or movie format. But I feel like for The Hunger Games, it kind of works, because Katniss is in the middle and she's torn by these two sides, these two different approaches, basically. One is, you know, more aggravating, and one Gale wants to just do everything possible to win, and whatever cost is cost. And then you got, you know, the Pita. Such funny names in The Hunger Games. Pita. Then you got Pita's perspective, which is not that, and it's interesting to see her battling between this kind of thing. So therefore, I think it's kind of okay. Also, if you guys seen the movie The Challengers, I talked about it in a previous vlog. That is like a proper love triangle. That also has a really good love triangle in it. Just mess around with each other, basically, just fucking around. But yeah, rambling about books. I love books. Also love movies. Enjoying the books. Gonna head out with my cool feet. Shit. And enjoy the day. See you guys outside. Hi, what's up? It's me. It's pretty late, but I just wanted to check in with you guys, so don't mind the messy hair and the yellow light and all that stuff. Childish Gambino, aka Donald Glover, onwards, released their last album, is what they said, which I'm like, oh, so yeah, I'm listening to that now. Childish Gambino album. I added it to my favorites on Spotify, and I'm just listening to that stuff. I really enjoy Donald Glover, aka Childish Gambino's work. I think they are so cool. They are so versatile with their projects, whatever it's comedy, music, acting, scripting, like writing scripts. Like they are so cool, and it's so neat to like hear them talk about creativity and just humble dude, maybe not. But yeah, I'm listening to that and it's helping me a lot. I'm drawing right now. I'm arting. I'm drawing Jojo Siwa. It's gonna take a long time to explain. I'm doing this for a friend, I promise. So Childish Gambino is helping me through drawing Jojo Siwa. It's putting out the Karma song. Anyways, yeah, rambling. Listen to Childish Gambino. Great music. If this is their last project, their last album, that's sad. But I mean, it's okay. I bet that they are gonna create whatever they're gonna create is gonna be awesome. And I'm super duper happy for them. And I can't wait until what they will do in the future instead, or not do. Who knows? Maybe they will be chilling and take back, or I have a hard time to see Childish Gambino doing that because they are such a like force to be reckoned with. But yeah, I have to call them Donald Glover now, which feels weird. I always went with Childish Gambino first. But yeah, listening to that freaking album, and yeah, okay, rambled so much. I'm sorry. I will see you guys tomorrow. Don't worry, no more Jojo Siwa footage is coming up, I promise. I'll spare you guys from that. See you tomorrow on our adventures. Okay. Hi. Welcome to the end of the vlog. This week has been so freaking fun. Like the weather is, and I just love all the places we went to. Some really neat stuff, like the waterfall place was freaking so cool, so neat. But yeah, that's for this week. I'm gonna let you guys go. please like the video and subscribe. It helps me out doing this stuff. And let me know what your kind of adventures are and what kind of places you like to go to. You know, let me know. And as always, all the places I go to is linked in the description down below. If you guys are wondering where I've been at or where is that cool waterfall, link is down in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so freaking much. I'm so glad that you are here, and just thank you. You know, don't ever forget that. I don't take this for granted. So thank you so much for being here with me on my little adventures. That's all for now. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care and bye bye.